Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome all the airdrop and free mining hunters. In this video we will talk about a brand new free mining wallet called Wave Wallet. It is actually on SUI blockchain, so it's brand new idea and brand new blockchain, and it looks very similar to Near Wallet where we mine hot. So this might be huge, guys. I really believe this will be as huge as Hot Token because they have treasure boxes, they have NFTs, they will have apps. So it looks really bullish. And with this type of free mining wallets, we can actually buy some things with free tokens that we will mine, like in Near Wallet. Okay, I already was able to buy stuff like tokens, NFTs with my hot tokens even before they are listed, and I bought things that I could sell for real tokens, then I can monetize. Okay, so that's exciting. Let's now focus on this dApp. So we will be mining Ocean here. The wallet is called Wave Wallet. If we go here and we start mining, okay, this is what we will see. This is the dashboard of the wallet. But if we click here, we will see the game, the mining game that they have, and some resources that we can mine here. Okay, so when you will begin, you will be able to mine every 2 hours. Okay, and leveling up will cost you a lot of tokens, so it will take a while, but actually it looks very well done. Okay, if we click in the treasure box in the left top corner, you'll see the some kind of rewards, extra rewards you can get for inviting a first referral, and there will be a Ocean Treasure Season 1. So it's just the same as, very similar as we had in New Wallet when we could buy treasures and get like free USDT and stuff. So this thing will be paying even before the listing, which is really exciting because Hot Wallet is huge, okay? And it is amazing. People are making thousands of dollars with it. So that's amazing. And now let's focus here on the missions. So these are the missions right now. Remember, this is just the beginning. Most likely there will be more missions soon. Right now you are able to do missions for gas-free transactions, because guess what? This is just like a new wallet in the sense that you will need to deposit. I mean, you don't have to, but it will be easier, much easier for you if you deposit SUI here on the wallet. Okay, just one SUI, which is like $1.1. It should be enough for a while for the transactions, because this is already on chain. Okay, so every transaction you will do will cost you some SUI, or maybe you will be able to pay with this gas-free transactions. Okay, if you want to level up, obviously it will also require SUI. You can invite some friends, okay, and you'll get 20% bonus from what your friends will claim, and 5% from what their referrals will claim. So that's pretty good, pretty nice, just like in the new wallet. That's why I'm comparing so much, okay, because this looks like it might be as huge as Hot Wallet, like I said before. Yeah, this is exciting. It has already been paying people. Okay, so this is where the apps will be. So most likely similar like launch pads where you will be able to buy NFTs. That's only I'm speculating, okay, because I can see that they are ready for NFTs. So obviously it might mean that this will be similar to what the Hot Wallet has. Okay, they also do have this these creatures that you are collecting. I don't know what they are for. This is just a basic video. I will do a more detailed video in a few days to show you the progress. But right now you can also check the website, where you will find step-by-step instructions of how to do it. As you can see, website is very solid, very well done. So again, this prompts me to think that this will be huge. Okay, with a cutting-edge Web3 wallet designed to accelerate your investment journey. It is all about people, about community, and these pre-mining wallets, because they have this kind of promotional beginnings, they can really get recruit a lot of users. So yeah, it can really go huge. Okay, so as you can see, some features will come soon. Right now you have a basic asset management, anti-phishing function. This is what the wallet will provide. Multi-platform support, so we'll be able to run it on smartphone, PC, users, and from any location, even Telegram. So I guess besides the Telegram version, they will also come up with a mobile version of this wallet. So this looks like a huge project, okay? So here you will find these instructions, so you'll know how to run this, okay? It's pretty simple. You just use the link that I will put in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. Also on my groups on Telegram. Then you click start. This is how you will start the bot, and the bot will run the UI, the dashboard for you, where the one that I have just shown you, okay? How to deposit. So this is kind of important. When you start, remember there will be seed words. Save them, write them, and store them in a safe place, okay? So you don't lose them. Otherwise, you might lose the access if something will, I know, destroy your phone or anything. Have the seed words and do not show them to anyone, okay? There are a lot of scammers around, so remember about that, about the security. What else? You need to deposit. I mean, for a best experience, if you don't want to worry about, just wait a minute, my second phone. If you don't want to worry about gas for transactions, just deposit one SUI token. It's like $1.1, and it will last for a while for transactions. It's just like in Hot Wallet, where we had to deposit like $1 of NIR, and it really helped with the transactions. This is on-chain stuff, so this is exciting that it's already on-chain. Not all the wallets are, okay? And yeah. What I did is I sent the SUI from Coinbase. Okay, you can register on Coinbase and get free coins there, so you can get it for free for doing quizzes. Okay, I'm not sure if it's available around the world, but it is where I'm staying in Europe, so you should be fine. Okay, just go to Coinbase, get some free crypto, convert it to SUI, and this is how you can deposit here. I will show you in a minute how to do it exactly, but you'll find instructions here. As you can see, they support NFTs, so we can expect similar stuff like NFT launchpads, where we will be able to buy with the Ocean token. So quite exciting. A lot of questions here, so I won't be reading everything. Make sure to check that out, especially if you are a beginner. Now coming back to the app itself. Okay, so in 59 minutes I will be able to claim my tokens. I will try to claim them as soon as they are ready to claim, and I will collect more tokens to be able to upgrade here. Okay, but first of all, what you need to do is go here in the top right corner, okay, and this is where you will find your wallet address. Okay, so with that you'll be able to deposit SUI here. Okay, remember this SUI blockchain. So the best thing you can do, if you're not familiar with it, go to sex exchange like MEXC, like BingX, or Coinbase. Like I said, it might be the easiest choice to just use the Coinbase like I did. Deposit one SUI, so you will have gas for the gas fees, okay? Because it uses SUI, because this is the native token for the SUI chain. As you can see, we can already swap here, so the functionality, even though it is early, is here. Okay, we can transfer tokens. It looks really bullish, guys. I'm really fond of it, so That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it and you will go here and start the bot, collect these free tokens when it's early. That's what I'm always trying to do, show you these things early, okay, after I verify them usually as well. So thank you for watching, guys. Remember to like the video, it really helps with the algorithm, and also subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet. Thank you for watching and see you soon.